So, before we get started with today's review, let us start by addressing the elephant in the room. And let me just remind each and every one of us we do not post full episodes here on my channel. What I do full episode review. So, I will go and watch the entire episode and come and review what I've watched and give my thoughts, or just say whatever that I have watched only. Now, it's comment like this. Sibom Kunu, that actually motivates some of us to keep on doing what we are doing because we appreciate this kind of comments on a daily basis. And then there's those comments where someone is not even there to advise or give their opinion, but there to break you down. So I just want to say to those comments, congratulations, we appreciate them, we see you, but I think matters could be addressed in a nicer way. You don't have to be rude about something that you don't like. If you hate it so much, you've got a button of blocking. You've got the capacity to scroll down if you don't want, and you can even go as far as asking YouTube not to recommend this channel. There is absolutely no need for each and every one of us to be rude towards to each other, guys. We are just here trying to earn a living. We are just here trying to do what we do best. We love and we enjoy doing reviews. Now, anyway, guys, back to what we are here for. So now that is out of the way, and in Utabo is the culprit. Did I not tell you? Did I not tell you that Tabo is the problem and y'all are not seeing it? So here we are. I told you that I'm gonna come back and say, guys, and you never believed me. So Tabo is the person that is orchestrating all of this. Utusela ubani Usakhile. Now he was found nompu aphethe umpu, and then he was going to his room because now Sakhile after the incident. So it happens with Edepo, he was addressing the nation, and then bese kufika amadoda and then bese kena abantu balala phansi lapho khona udutshuliwe khona ongadutshulwanga, but the intention, you could see that this was aimed at Usakhile, but it did not succeed. Leroy was very devastated, thinking where is Mameki? Mhlambe badubule yena, cha uMameki uright, uyaphila uhappy. Now after all of this, now Petunia is really devastated, saying, you know what, aspephanga lapha, even if we've got bodyguards, I see them, but I think sisengozini man. Lento le ijule kakhulu, because now it was not only was it threats, but then now there's an escalation of actually acting out of the threats that have been dished out. So which is a problem, because labantu laba bayazi ukuthi sihlala kuphi. We mame, ngithi nganitshela ukuthi lo Thabo lo angimboni kahle mina, why kunama threat yena akathukanga nje. He's busy, like relaxed for someone that uhlala emzini la kuthiwa kuyathuselwa abantu khona. But anywho, he was okay and not worried and not even bothered. Now today we got to find out mase akhomba umyeni kaPetunia ngompu ukuthi hawu kanti uyena lo mlisa lo kade efuna ukubulala uSakhile. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndimadekwana sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani hipukila hingagwina. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina was Smoke and Mirrors hikuma ku sila sithamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that uthayini ukurisa thona fasi uri no, I am not going to marry anyone that is not trying to fix things with his first wife, because what is going to happen when I make a mistake? Kahle kahle uthi nangabe nami ngiyajola kuzenzeka la kushuthi uzongishiya, so kumele ulungise izinto nomamkhulu before ngithi yebo. Kodwa ke at the end of the day uTiny agreed. She said yes. Kimahadilo wala alilililili. It looks like everything is going to be pashash, because uTiny, she is more onto asuwakhe lo mndeni, sizo-andisa umndeni, singamakhosikazi aqala ukubiza umamkhulu kakuhle man. It's giving a good picture, it's giving ngizokuthanda, ngizokuhlonipha, ngizokuphekela, ngizoku-ayinela. But is she gonna do that for long? Is she gonna give umamkhulu indawo yakhe? Because now she's canvassing ukuthi yabona njengoba umamkhulu kumele simhloniphe, kumele sizwe ngaye, she's the one that started with Isthembu, and then thina siyalandela. Now Utim is not about that life. He's just not liking it. He says I think Utim is still heartbroken, and he's just trying to move from being betrayed, being heartbroken, to now having a second wife and just trying to juggle all of this together. athi-ke naThini ngicela awusuke kuleyo ndaba. Let you and I just flourish sizibumbe mani ngalo thando esidlula kulona, and then just forget about umamkhulu and everything, as long as she agreed, and then we can just move on, and then singasakhulumi ngayo. But uThini is like, but we need to fix that first. And I think I understand where she's coming from. If I make a mistake, namuzongishiya, which is a fact. But I think Tim is just trying to ahile. Anyway, kamkhwanazi ngari swi tshamisekini kahle, because bamkhwanazi bate ifaneke itshama hansi hi celebrator. We celebrating ukuthi the investigation has come down now, has been closed, and it's like a clear audit, not audit, but it's like a clear investigation was done, and there was found nothing, there was no findings that has to do with the depot, which is a good and a well done to the Mukwanazis. Now Leroy is asking questions when you were with asking Uthandiswa, when you were with Umam Nomeva, what happened there? What did she say? And then it looks like Uthandiswa is not interested, or she does not want to disclose exactly what was the plan that happened down there, because she was talking about how she would want to give birth first and then can tackle all other things. So which means that whatever le ayitholile le phansi kuyimfihlo, so angeke aze akwazi ukudiscussa no Leroy. But I'm just glad that Leroy understood me. I was not going to even understand. If I help you do something, the next thing masobuye sofuna ukungifakela imfihlo. Asazi Mr. Mayor uthenge umpu, guys. Okay, previous Mr. Mayor Jackson thenge umpu from the street vendor, and when he did, Lord, the street vendor said to him, "Hi man, ngathi ngiyakwazi wena ukare ke uyithi mara ke itse gore kuitse ha se wena meyara ya mo mnyameng." And he said, "No, awungazi, asikaze sahlangana, nale transaction has never happened." That's just about it. Anyway, Umatha is going through it. So there is a baby that came to the hotel, and then the baby was crying, and then Martha stormed out of her table to go and seize Lomtwana. But for some unknown reason, she got so attached that she couldn't let the mother of the baby take the baby, and then Umother had to now force the baby out of her hands, and she's like, yeah. The awkwardness of her not wanting to give the mother back the baby, it was just like on the other level. Why are you not giving me my baby? Because this is my baby. Yo, is that good to give me? Anyway, on the other hand, Utini, Leroy, no, Mamiki, they were a bit worried. Utini is nowhere to be found, and they were sitting wanting to call the police. Uguti, where is she? But Utini was in Loveland, and she came with the good news. On the Mfundisi side, they decided to have a prayer to pray for Itepo Guti. Yo, it's bad. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in my next upload.